Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable the startup delay using the startup delay in MSEC registry value on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So when you start up your computer, there's typically a little bit of a delay to allow your computer to load system services and files. I'm going to show you guys a way to decrease the delay period. So the first thing you want to do is open up the search menu. Type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best match, come back to Registry Editor. Go ahead and right-click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select File and then Export. File name, I'd recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all and save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you have to do is select File and then Import, and then navigate to the file location on your computer. And now we're ready to begin. So we're going to start by double-clicking on the HKey current user folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder. Same thing for Microsoft. Double-click on the Windows folder. Same thing for current version. Should be an Explorer folder in here as well. Go ahead and double-click on that. And then there should be a serialized key listed in here. If you do not see it, we're going to have to go ahead and create it. So right-click on the Explorer key that we just expanded a couple moments ago. Select New and then select Key. Name this key Serialize, Serialize. Again, Serialize, exactly as you see it on my screen. And then on the right side, you want to right-click in a blank area, select New, and then select the word 32-bit value. Name this value Startup Delay in MSEC. Exactly as you see it on my screen, the first letter of each word should be capitalized here. First letter of each word should be capitalized, and the S in second should be capitalized as well. Hit enter on your keyboard to save that. And now double click on this value. For the value data field, type in the number 0. Base should be hexadecimal. And select OK. And then once that is done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. If you ever want to undo that, you could just delete the startup delay in M seconds key by just right-clicking on it and selecting delete. Just would go back into that folder we created. You could even delete that key if you created it yourself. The serialized key, you just could right-click on that folder and select delete, and that could just revert it back to it was previously. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.